So in this video, I want to talk about combining like terms. Typically, you'll see for a problem like this, the directions will say simplify, by combining like terms. So I'm going to give you guys some practical steps to begin with, and just kind of go through those steps with you for this problem. The big thing that you want to do first when combining like terms, when you're trying to simplify by combining like terms, the big thing you want to do first is rewrite any minus that you have in the algebraic expression. All right, so here we have negative 2x minus 3 plus 1 minus 4x. Any minus that you have in the algebraic expression, rewrite that minus as plus the negative of that number. So what I mean by that is you are going to rewrite negative 2x minus 3 as negative 2x plus negative 3. And you'll rewrite plus 1. You'll write this minus 4x as plus negative 4x. And the big reason for that is because students really struggle they forget, they will ignore certain minus signs that really function as negatives. Right, so when you look at this algebraic expression, you might think, well, 3 is positive. This is just a minus. But if you rewrite the minus 3 as plus negative 3, you realize a 3 is actually a negative 3. All right, so when you go to combine like terms, one of the things I saw many students do, is they would say, well, 3 plus 1 is 4. So this simplifies to negative 4. This whole piece. And to that, I would say that is incorrect, because the 3 is a negative 3. So negative 3 plus 1 is actually negative 2, right? Negative 2 and negative 4, those are different answers. And this answer is incorrect. All right, the minus here in front of the 3 is attached to the 3, and it operates like a negative sign. So, for that reason, this step is crucial. Rewrite every minus as plus the negative of that number. So now, since we've done that, we can look at what are the like terms and combine like terms. Like terms, so for a minute, let's discuss what are like terms. Like terms are the ones that have the same variable. Okay, so here, negative 2x and negative 4x, those terms have the same variable, mainly the x. So they can be combined. Like terms can be combined. So then you're just thinking, what's negative 2 plus negative 4? Well, that's negative 6. So then we get negative 6x. And then we just need to do this piece now. Negative 3 and positive 1, those are considered like terms. These are special terms called constants because they don't have variables, they don't have any variable, but they're just numbers, and we've always been able to combine numbers. We've always been able to add and subtract numbers, so there's nothing that's holding us back from combining those terms. negative 3 plus 1 is equal to negative 2. And then here we'll just go back, right? We'll kind of take this green step and we'll do it backwards. What I mean by that is this plus negative 2, we'll rewrite that as minus 2. Right? Because subtracting a number is the same as adding the negative of that number. And that's going to be our final answer. So tune in. I'm going to do another example in another video to help solidify this idea. Hopefully this video helped, and let me know if you need me to further go into explaining any one piece of this video. And I hope that it helps.